Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to learn new words from a complete course for beginners. Lesson 1, exercise 1/2. I'm going to read each word one by one from 1 to 16. So let's begin. Number 1, aeroport, aeroport, airport. Number 2, buffet, buffet, a snack bar. Number 3, гостиница, гостиница, a hotel. Number 4, директор, директор, a manager. Number 5, закрыто, закрыто, closed. Number 6, запрещено, запрещено, forbidden. Number 7, интурист, интурист, in tourist. Number 8, касса, касса, a ticket office, cash desk. Number 9, к себе, pool. Number 10, не курить, no smoking. Number 11, от себя, push. Number 12, парикмахерская, парикмахерская, a hairdresser, barbers. Number 13, почта, почта, post office. Number 14, ремонт, ремонт, clothes for repairs. Number 15, ресторан, ресторан, restaurant. Number 16, туалет, туалет, toilet. As you probably noticed, all those words are used as signs. We will go word by word and try to pronounce it. Аэропорт, аэропорт. Аэропорт, аэропорт. Got it? Аэропорт. The next word is буфет, 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 буфет. Sometimes people call small coffee shops as buffet. However, it's a small stand where you can get some drinks and snacks. The next word is гостиница, гостиница, гостиница. You can also call гостиница отель, what comes from hotel. So the meaning would be exactly the same, гостиница or отель. If you would like to know more differences between отель and гостиница, please check this video. So the next word is директор, директор. Means director or a manager. It can be директор школы as school principal. So, or it can be a cafe director, so it will be manager. Basically, in Russian and English, the meaning of the word директор is the same. And the next word is закрыто. Закрыто means closed. Something is closed for maintenance, for a break. So, закрыто. Магазин закрыт. The store is closed. So the next word is запрещено. Запрещено. Запрещено means forbidden. It's not allowed to smoke, to ride a bicycle, to walk out a dog, or to drink alcohol in public places. So запрещено. Запрещено ездить на велосипеде. It is forbidden to ride a bicycle. Запрещено ездить на велосипеде. Запрещено ездить на велосипеде. Запрещено выгуливать собак. Запрещено выгуливать собак. Walking dogs is forbidden. Выгуливать собак запрещено. Выгуливать собак запрещено. Запрещено употреблять алкоголь. Drinking alcohol is forbidden. Запрещено употреблять алкоголь. Запрещено играть в мяч. Ball games are forbidden. Запрещено играть в мяч. And the next word is интурист. Интурист. Comes from foreign tourist. Иностранный турист. Интурист. The next word is касса. Касса means the cash desk, ticket window, box office, or it will be the cash machine itself. Касса. 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 And the next word in the list is к себе. However, I would say usually used на себя to pull. I would say that in case of doors closed or opened, if you need to pull the door, к себе and на себя has the same meaning. However, if you would use к себе, it might mean that you took something with you, so to live with you. For example, you took a cat home. Я взял кота к себе. You can use на себя in an example. Я разлил на себя кофе. I spilled the coffee on myself. I would skip не курить and come back to it later, so we'll go straight away to the word от себя. От себя means from myself, so to push. For example, толкнуть от себя will mean to push away from yourself. So going one word back, не курить. Не курить. Smoking forbidden. Do not smoke. It's the same as курение запрещено. Курение запрещено. We covered запрещено in previous words. So the next word is a little bit difficult, even for natives. A lot of people make mistakes in writing. Парикмахерская. Парикмахерская. So you don't pronounce the letter K. Парикмахерская. So as you can hear, K becomes more like H. Парикмахерская. Парикмахерская. So the next word will be easier. Почта. 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 The post office. Почта. Почта. The next word in the book was given as closed for repairs. However, the word ремонт means repair, maintenance, mending, or refitting. So, closed for repairs, закрыт на ремонт, or закрыто на ремонт. However, in the picture provided, this is the sign of the repair shop. Now we have only a couple of words left, so the next one will be ресторан, 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 ресторан. And the last word is туалет, туалет, туалет. That's it, we managed to complete all the words in less than 10 minutes. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.